morning. Now we're going to take up quadratic equation, and we have this in standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We can use this standard form or the roots of the equation to have this kind of quadratic equation. That is x squared plus the first root plus the second root times x plus the product of R1 and R2, which is the roots of the equation. That will be equal to 0. And we have three problems now, no? The first one is number 1. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are the reciprocal of the roots of this equation here. 4x squared plus 8x minus 5 equal to 0. What we're going to do is factor out these equations, and we get these two factors here. 2x plus 5 times 2x minus 1. That will be equal to 0. And we get the first roots to be negative 5 over 2, and the second root is 1/2 positive. No? So after that, we exchange place, no, of the constant to the coefficient of x here. So this one becomes 5x plus 2, and this one also we exchange the place of this coefficient here, the constant. So that will be x minus 2, and that will be also equal to 0. So on this new equation, we're going to find the roots, and we have it as a negative 2 pip and positive 2. So this is our new equation, and with the new roots. So problem number 2, find a quadratic equation with the roots negative 3 and 4. So we substitute these roots here on this formula here. So x squared minus parenthesis negative 3 plus 4 of x plus negative 3 times 4 is equal to 0. We add that, we get here negative, that is x squared minus 4 minus 3 is positive 1 minus x also. X squared minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is our answer. So for first or third example, we have here the complex number 5 plus 2i and 5 minus 2i, which are the roots of the equation. So we substitute this as we have done in example 2. We use this formula here. No? We use this formula here. So x squared minus r sub 1 plus r sub 2 of x plus the product of r1 and r2 is equal to 0. So x squared minus the r1, which is 5 plus 2i, and r2, which is 5 minus 2i, x plus the product of these two, which is 5 plus 2i times 5 minus 2i, and that will be equal to 0 also. So combining these terms here inside the parentheses, that is 10x plus multiplying this 25 minus, that is 10x, this one 2i minus 2i, that cancels out. So on the third term, we multiply 25, 5 times 5, 2i times 2i is negative 4i squared. So the 2i here and negative 2i here cancels out in this portion here. So always remember that I raised to 2 or I squared is equal to negative 1. So this equation here becomes x squared minus 10x plus parenthesis 25. So 4 times negative I, that will be 4 times I squared, that will be 4 times negative 1, negative 4. So the sign of operation is negative. Negative with negative is equal to 4. So our final answer is x squared minus 10x plus 29. So that's enough, have it. No? So for more problems like this, no, please go to my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. No, remember, if you may be, please click that notification bell. So thank you again and see you later. Bye bye.